Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be talking about what are the things that you should not speak when you're at the interview. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see that I have made a list of things that what we should not speak is that, for example, many people are there who say, I'll do anything, I'll just need a job. Why will you say that? You are here, you have been selected for the interview based on your CV. So you will be saying that I genuinely interested in this role because it matches my skills and give me an opportunity to contribute and grow. You can say that. Okay. Also, you can say that as I'm a fresher, I'm here to learn and grow and contribute to your company as I'm hardworking as well. ये भी आप बोल सकते हैं. Second, my previous company boss was terrible. You should never say that to the interviewer. You can say, I'm looking for an environment where I can take new challenges and continue developing professionally. That sounds more professional. Number three, I don't know anything about your company. If they ask you, tell me about my company. That's the wrong answer. You can say something, definitely that is why you have applied it. So you can say I have researched about your organization and I was particularly interested in whatever the things that interest you to apply for that job. You can speak on that. Okay, then how quickly I can get promoted is something which is a very wrong thing. You should not say you are not going to get promotion just because you want promotions. You say that what does success look like in this role during the first 6 months. That is more professional, I feel. I don't have any questions. When the interviews ask you that do you have any questions, you should never say I don't have any questions. You should say that what qualities make someone successful in this position, or secondly, what would you consider the most important priority for someone joining this role. ये भी आप बोल सकते हैं ताकि आपको क्लैरिटी मिले. Okay, and one sentence you should avoid is that what does a company do? No, I read about your company or about the working and I would love to understand about this role contributes to that area. तो अगर आप कंपनी के बारे में जानते ही नहीं और बार बार आप मेंशन करोगे तो आपसे डेफिनेटली पूछेगा कि what do you know about our company. और अगर आपको पूछता है कि what do you know about your company, definitely you must have gone through the CV. I mean the like you have applied for that CV particularly because you know the job description, you know the brand is. So these are the things that you should avoid while in the interview. So all the best. Bye.